Good afternoon, students. Let us start the exercise 13.4 second problem. So here they have given already during the medical checkup they have checked the 35 students and they have recorded the weight of that students. They have given in terms of distribution table here that it is already converted, because here it is not a class intro. Here it is converted into less than 10, less than OG. So it is nothing but less than 38, it is the upper limit, less than 40, upper limit, less than 42. These all are the upper limits here, and they have given the number of students here. That is, you have to identify either it is a CF or a CF means it is nothing but cumulative frequency, or it is a frequency. At the end, the total it is nothing but 35 here, and also it is in the increasing form. By that also you can identify it is a CF, or you can see the last class intervals CF or a number of students. Then it is 35. Total number of students it is 35. The sum of the frequency it will be 35. If it is a total given, then it is nothing but a CF. Let us find to plot the graph we need a points. Now we have to take down the points. A is equal to 38 upper limit, then CF. The upper limits it will be plotted on the x-axis, and the CF it will be plotted on the y-axis. So let us take the point A 38 to 0, point B 40 to 3, next point C 42 to 5, point D 44 to 9, point E 46 to 14, F 48 to 28, next G 50 to 32, 48 to 28 F, then 50 to 32 G, and as H it is 52 to 35. So now we got the points. Now we can plot the graph. Now take a vertical line, that is nothing but considered as a y-axis, and a horizontal line as a x-axis. So on the horizontal line you have to plot the upper limits. On the vertical line you have to point out the cumulative frequency. Now let us start from 0. 0 is here it is nothing but the intersection of the y-axis and x-axis is called as the origin here, and it should be started from a 0 to 38. Now we have to break this line because directly we have jumped from a 0 to 38. 38 gaps are there. Here it is 2 gaps. See 48, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Like this 2 continuous gaps are there. But here it is directly, it has taken 38. So 0 to 38 it is, for that purpose we have to break the line. We have to put the zigzag line. Now here it is continuous, 0 to 5, again 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, continuous gaps are there. So then no need of a zigzag on the vertical line. I have taken a 5 table here on the vertical axis. Okay, that is on the y-axis. Let us plot the points now. 38. A point it is 38 to 0, 38 on x-axis, and on y-axis 0, means the point it will be plotted here. So it is nothing but A 38 to 0. Next B point 40 to 3, it is nothing but 40 on the x-axis. 3 means how to take, just now I said you about this. Take this lines, it is now 0 to 5. So 10 lines is equal to 5. Okay, then what will be the measurement of the 1 line? Question mark. Cross multiplication, it is nothing but 5 by 10. That is 0.5. 1 line is equal to 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 it is nothing but 1. So for 2 lines it will be 1. Next 2. Next 3. Here 4. Next 5. So now in the same way you can plot it here. 40 to 3 means here after 5th line, 6th line it will be 3. Like that you have to plot the point. Next 42 to 5. Okay, next 44 to 9. Next 46 to 14. After 10 you have to count how many lines it will be. 14 means here it will be 6th, 7th, 8th line it will be 14. So it is nothing but E 46 to 14. Next 48 to 28. After 20, 21, okay, 25, after 25, 28 it will be. 8th line. Okay, 48 to 28 here. Count it like that, you will get the point. Yeah, 48 to 28. Next, G, 50 to 32. 50, 32, 30, exactly 30 here. 31, 32. Come to 2 lines is equal to 1. Okay. So it will be nothing but G. G it is 50 to 32. Next H, 52 to 33. Last. Exactly it is 52 to 35. Okay. Now join the points. Okay, these are the points, and this is nothing but less than or 0. Clear? Less than or 0. Now they told you to find out the median in this graph only. So how to find out the median? You have to find out first n by 2, that is nothing but median number. Let us find out the median number here. So median number is equal to n by 2, that is nothing but n is how many? 35 students. 35 divided by 2, that is 7.5. From here you have to calculate the 17.5. 15, 2 lines it will be 16, then 4 lines it will be 17. 17.5 means in middle you have to take. From there you have to draw a parallel line parallel to x-axis, and that line it meets this curve line at one point, and from that point you have to draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis. Okay, perpendicular line to the x-axis. Then it will meet on the x-axis. A point on the x-axis it is called as a median. So it is nothing but 46.5. You have to calculate it. It will be exactly 46.5. Okay, this is how to plot the median in the graph. Now they told you to verify the verification. They told you to verify the median. Let us take once again, we have to take out the columns here. Class interval, they have given the CF there. Class interval they have given in terms of a less than type. Convert that into class intervals. That is nothing but you can take it as a 38 means 0 to 38. Next 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44. Next 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. This is a class interval we have converted. Next, we have to take a CF there. Already they have given the CF. I will take the CF here, and you have to find out the table for the frequency table for it. That is, now here it is 0, 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. This is the CF. Now how to find out the frequency here? Subtracting the CFs. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 14 minus 9. How much? 14 minus 9 it is 5. Yes. Next 28 minus 14 it is 14. 32 minus 8. 4. Next 35 minus 2 it is nothing but 3. Now find out the sum of the frequencies. It is nothing but 35. This last CF it will be equal to the sum of the frequencies. This it should be understood. Now let us go for finding the median by using the formula. Let us take now median number, already it is known, that is 17.5. Now how to find out the median class? how to find out the median class. You have to identify where the median number lies in CF. So it lies 17.5, it lies in 28. So n by 2 lies here. So what is the median class? 46 to 48. Now what is L? L is nothing but a lower limit of this median class. It is 46. CF, it is presiding for that median class. Presiding CF of that median class. It is 14. Frequency is 14. What is the class size? 2. So let us take the median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So lower limit is 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus CF it is 14 divided by 14 into 2. So it is 46 plus 3.5 by 14 into 2. We can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 sevens. So it is 46 plus 30 by 70. 35 by 70. So 35 ones are 35 twos. So you can take it as a 46 plus 0.5. Okay. Now you can write the answer as a 46.5. This is kg. Terms of kg there. Is it clear for you? Okay. Thank you.